play, home, educate. As we grow, we know.
Today, guys, is the donut one. I can't do it.
So today, guys, we got some more sensory skills for children to develop their skills in colors and of handling of objects. So we've got these great little sensory skills that can help. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get the little one to actually take it out of the bag himself. Hey, you're doing it. Hey, you're doing it up. We want to take the toys out one by one.
Okay,
There you go. Can you put them in a row for me and let's make them look really nice and tidy? Okay, take them out. You take them out first in your own time. Wow, you got some great colors there. So what we're going to do is promote the child to have his own independence and just constant prompting. Are you all done? So let's put them out nicely in a row. Do you know what a row is? One by one together.
What's the row?
You put the toys out one by one together in a row. So let's put the bag down. Should we put the bag down on the floor?
Yeah.
Good. And now let's put the toys together in a row, side by side. Oh, you put it back in the bag. No, on the table. Let's put the toys on the table. Yeah.
Then we need the yellow.
You're putting it back in the bag. We want the toys one by one together on the table. So basically what you see me doing here is prompting the child, and from there we get an understanding of what he actually understands. And if he's having difficulty and not getting it, we're going to reconstruct the sentence to a more easy mode of listening and comprehension for the child. Let's try again. Oh, 1. Can you put the different colours? Excellent. 2. Let's count. Let's take the toys out of the bag and count together. 3. We need number 4. Oh, no, we got 3 there. Let's take them out. Let's count the numbers on the table. We got 2, 3. That's 3. Come on, put it down. 4. How many more left? Come on.
7.
4. We got 4 there. How many more inside the bag left?
8.
5. Is there any more? Where's the red one? I'm sure there's supposed to be a red one.
I don't know this.
You don't know where it is? And...
1.
Dun, 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 dun. That's right. Now put the bag down on the floor. Good. Now I want you to count with me all the circles you see there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1.
1. 7. Are you sure? Count again. Try again.
I think 2 and 1 and I am red, the yellow.
So give them their own time. Let them sort it out themselves. There's no rush, you know. The good thing about homeschooling, home education, time. You've got time in your hands. So just be patient with the little one. Let them do what they're doing. And just go with the flow. Oh, you're in a circle. Can we count? 1.
This yellow.
Yes. Green. 2. Orange. Orange. 3. Red. Red. 4. Blue. 5. And last, what colour is that?
Pink.
Pink. And how many is that then? Count now, let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Uh-oh, you're missing 1. Start again. 1.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Count again. You're nearly there. 2, 3, 4.
5.
So we start with the green one. Point to the green one. 1, 2,
3,
4,
5.
And what's this one then?
Pink.
What number is that then?
1.
Yeah, 1.
That's the donut.
1 donut.
2 donuts. 3
Mm-hmm.
donuts.
4 donuts. 5 donuts. and
6 donuts.
you got it. So how many donuts do we have?
6.
Well done. You got it eventually. Now I want you to tell me the colors of the donuts. Show me the red donut.
Wow, that's a big donut.
Oh, yummy, 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 yummy.
Small donut.
Show me the yellow donut. Oh, yummy, 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 yummy. In my tummy.
I love that because it's pink.
And show me the pink donut. The pink donut. Yummy, 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 yummy. In my tummy. And show me the blue donut. It's yummy, 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 yummy. In my tummy. Show me the green donut. Green, I want a green donut. It's yummy, 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 yummy. In my tummy. And lastly, show me the black donut.
Oh, there's no the black.
Ha! Very smart. There's no black donut. I tried to catch you out. Good job.
There's Daddy.
So guys, anyway, that's a basic lesson you can give your children. Play with them. Just be, as I said, just be patient with them.
There's so many donuts.
There's so many. Yeah, that's right. There's so many donuts.
And I give it to me.
And just be patient, because learning is one of those things that takes time, and they may not understand. They may not actually understand the activity you're trying to give them. But always remember, as we grow.
We know. And because we have 3 donuts and there were a world and then a merchant tower and
You're making a tower. Amazing. This is good for children with autism as well, children with learning disabilities, children who need extra stepping stone, premature children. These skills are pretty cool, and these toys you can pick up anywhere. They're like multi-sensory skills, not only good for counting and colours, but they actually break apart and develop the children's understanding of texture as well. These are high developed sensory skills toys that you can bring up anywhere. Anyway, guys, if you like the video, please subscribe down below and leave a comment for us. You know, try and get at you with some more helpful videos and tips in homeschooling, home educating your kids. Okay. As you grow,
we know. As we grow, we know.